వెల్కమ్ టు శిక్ష మ్యాథ్స్ అకాడమీ. నా ఛానల్ని ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇచ్చినట్టు లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. సో ఆల్రెడీ టుడే విల్ డిస్కస్ మ్యాథ్స్ ఎంసెట్. ఆల్రెడీ మనం 2 పార్ట్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. చూడండి వినంటే ఆ 2 వీడియోస్ చూడండి. తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ పార్ట్ 3. సో పార్ట్ 1లో వచ్చేసి మనకి కాన్సెప్షియల్ అంటే బేసిక్స్ అవి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకున్నాం, డెఫినేషన్స్. పార్ట్ 2 క్లాస్లో వచ్చేసి మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ వెక్టార్స్ అండ్ 2/2 అండ్ 3/3 రెండు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. సో ఇప్పుడైతే మనకి ట్రేస్ కూడా ట్రాన్స్పోజ్. సో దాంట్లో వచ్చేసి మనకి సెకండ్ పార్ట్లో అది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. ట్రేస్ అంటే ఏంటి, ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ అంటే ఏంటి. ఓకే, చూడండి అవి కూడా చూడండి. సో ఇప్పుడైతే మనకి ట్రేస్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. సి హియర్ ట్రేస్ AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. AB whole transpose is equal to C transpose into B transpose into A transpose. Next, trace of K into A is equal to K into trace of A. It's very very important. Next, trace of A plus B is equal to trace of A plus trace of B. Next, trace of A minus B is equal to trace of A minus trace of B. So trace of AB is not equal to trace of A into trace of B. This is also very very important conceptual. మనకి డైరెక్ట్ అంటే వీటిలో నుంచి మనకి డైరెక్ట్ బిట్స్ అడిగే ఛాన్స్ ఉందన్నమాట. అంటే ఎంసెట్లో మనకి డైరెక్ట్ బిట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, డైరెక్ట్ బిట్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో డైరెక్ట్ బిట్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మీకు ఇవి యూజ్ అవుతాయి అనమాట. సో ట్రేస్ ఆఫ్ AB ఈజ్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు ట్రేస్ ఆఫ్ A ఇంటూ ట్రేస్ ఆఫ్ B. So A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So trace of A transpose is equal to trace of A. So this is the properties of transpose and trace. So ఈ ప్రాపర్టీస్ బేస్ చేసి మనం క్వశ్చన్స్ చూద్దాం. See here, see the first question. If trace of A is equal to 6, then trace of 4A is equal to. So trace of 4A is in the form of trace of 4A is in the form of trace of KA. So trace of K into A formula is K into trace of A. Okay, using this formula. So trace of 4A is equal to 4 into trace of A. So what is the given value? Trace of A is equal to 6. So 6 4s are 24. Okay, that is the answer. See the which option? Fourth option. Okay, next, see the next question. If trace of A is equal to 8 and trace of B is equal to 6 and trace of A minus 2B is equal to, so what is the formula of trace of A minus B? So trace of A minus B is equal to trace of A minus trace of B. So using this condition, so trace of A minus trace of 2B, that is equal to trace of A minus, again is in the form of trace of K into A. So what is the formula of trace of K? That is equal to K into trace of A. So 2 into trace of B, that is equal to trace of A value is 8 minus 2 into trace of B value is 6, that is equal to 8 minus 12, that is equal to minus 4. Okay, so first option is the correct option. So using these formulas properties, so trace of K into A is equal to trace of K into trace of A is trace of A minus 2B is equal to, so trace of A minus trace of 2B. Okay, so trace of A minus trace of 2B, again here using the formula trace of K, so K into trace of A. So already given the values trace of A and trace of B. So this is the basics level 1 problems. Okay, this is the answer. See the next question, ma. If trace of A is equal to 2 plus I, then trace of 2 minus I into A is equal to, so what is the value? See here, see the solution. Options is 5 4 3 minus 4. Okay, so how to solve this? So trace of 2 minus I into A is in the form of trace of K into A, so that is equal to K into trace of A. So this is the formula. Using this formula, so 2 minus I into trace of A, that is equal to 2 minus I into, so what is the trace of A value? 2 plus I. So is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. So A square minus B square, so 2 square 4 minus I square, so 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. See here, I into I square. So I square value is minus 1. Remember this value, it's very very important. I square value is minus 1. Okay. So minus into minus plus. So 4 plus 1, 5. So first option. Okay. This is the direct bit. So if trace of A is equal to 3 and trace of B is equal to 5, then trace of AB. So already I told you formulas. Trace of AB is not equal to trace of A into trace of B. And మనకి possible అవ్వదు అన్నమాట. So cannot say. This is direct bit. Okay, see here. ముందు కాన్సెప్ట్ లో ఒక క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి. If matrix x plus 3, 2y plus x, z minus 1, 4a minus z is equal to, so 0, minus 7, 3, 2a. So see here, this is the indicates to equality of matrices. Equality of matrices, already I told the concept. Okay, see here, equating the corresponding coefficients in both the matrices. Okay, equating the corresponding coefficients. So see here, equating that x plus 3 is equal to 0 and 2y plus x is equal to minus 7. Solving these values, so x is equal to minus 3, so 2y. Using this minus 3, I am substituting here. 2y minus 3 is equal to 7, so 2y is equal to minus 7 plus 3, so 2y is equal to minus 5. Y is equal to 5 by 2. 2y plus x is equal to minus 7, so 2y, here x value is minus 3 is equal to, here 4 minus 4 by 2, so minus 2. Okay, next see here, z value, z minus 1 is equal to 3, z is equal to 3 plus 1, so z is equal to 4. Next a value, 4a minus z is equal to 2a. 4a minus z is equal to 2a. So put that z value. So 4a minus 4 is equal to 2a. 2a send this side. Minus 2a is equal to 4. So 2a is equal to 4. So a is equal to 2. So adding these all values, we will get the answer. So answer is 1. Okay. These are the problems on trace and transpose and basics. Next we will see the next concept. Special types of matrices are there. So what is that special types of matrices, and we will discuss that. Okay. Okay, now we will discuss the next topic is special type of matrices. It's very very important, and IP, MSET both mains also. Okay, see here, symmetric matrix. This is the symmetric matrix. So what is the symmetric matrix? Now we will see that. Let A be a square matrix. A transpose is equal to A is said to be symmetric matrix. Okay, so symmetric matrix ante manaki ela vastundi. For example, now I am taking A is equal to AH and HB. So A transpose. Now I am writing A transpose value. So what is the A transpose? How can you write interchanging rows and columns, rearrangement? So now I am taking row, write as column. Next H to B. So both are equal. A is equal to AH and HB. This is 2 by 2 matrix. And A transpose value also 2 by 2. Both are equal. So A transpose is equal to A. So this is symmetric matrix. Symmetric. Next, this is symmetric matrix example 2 by 2 This is మనకి 3 by 3 order. So which of the following symmetric matrix అనేది చేసుకొని కొన్నిసార్లు అడుగుతూ ఉంటారు అనమాట. ఓకే, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఇట్స్ రిమెంబర్, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ఈజీ రిమెంబర్ ఫర్ దిస్. ఏ హ్యాండ్సమ్ గాయ్ has best friend gone for cinema. Okay, easy to remember. So next, skew symmetric matrix. So A transpose is equal to minus A. This is the symmetric matrix condition. It's very very important. And skew symmetric matrix is A transpose is equal to minus A. See the example. For example, A is equal to matrix A 0 2 3. minus 2 0 5 minus 3 minus 5 0. So what about A transpose interchanging the rows and columns? Now we'll get 0 minus 2 minus 3 0 2 0 minus 5 3 minus 5 0. So minus is taken as common in this matrix. You will get same A. See here, A transpose is equal to, minus is taken as common, 0 2 3 minus 2 0 5. So minus 3 minus 5 0. We'll get same matrix, A matrix. So A transpose is equal to minus A. So this condition is called skew symmetric matrix. Next, see the important point here. Any square matrix A can be written as a sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. It's a very important condition. Okay, it's very important. So A is equal to half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose. So A plus A transpose, it indicates symmetric matrix, and A minus A transpose, it indicates skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric. Half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose. So any square matrix A can be written as the sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So this is the concept. It's very important. Okay. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe.